Hello, welcome to another tutorial on this channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get Face ID on any iOS device running iOS 11 to iOS 13. So once you've opened up Cydia, go to Sources. We're going to need to add a source. The source will be in the description. The source is Hack Your iPhone. So put in repo.hackyouriphone.org. I'll have it up on screen now. Press add source. It's come up with a source warning. Press add anyway. You can look at reviews online. They are a good source with a lot of tweaks. So then just wait for the source to install. It will take a bit longer than regular sources because it is a very big source. They have over 4,000 weeks. So once it is done and it says return to Cydia, press return to Cydia. Now go over to search and type in, I don't know how to say it, Appellancy. Type in Appellancy. And here it is. It says iOS 11, but it does support iOS 11 to iOS 13. Make sure you choose the second one from Hack Your iPhone, because if you have this other repo installed, their tweaks don't work half the time. So it'll say install in the top. Just press install and then press confirm. And then Appellancy will install. Okay, now it is done. It will tell you to restart your springboard. So press it, and your springboard will restart. Okay, once you're back in the springboard, you will have this new app on your home screen. Mine will want to swipe across, and it will be in the new position, but I already had it installed beforehand, and it'll be this little green with a white man on it. Press it, and this will come up. You'll see people, so you're not going to see anyone at the moment, so you're going to press plus, insert the name of the person, so we'll make a random person, Jeff. So it says zero saved images. You tap on him, and then you press start, and then Appellancy would like to use camera, press OK, and then the pictures will take. Then 5 pictures have been taken. Okay, I'm going to delete Jeff because Jeff is not a real person. How do you... Okay, well, I don't have to delete Jeff. Okay, so now that is done, when you open your passcode screen, you'll see Appellancy started. If you look at it, recognise Thomas, and then it should unlock. Face not rec. Appellancy started, recognise Jeff. Recognise Thomas. Come on! And there we go. There, it worked. So there is a section in settings. Yeah, there's a section in settings for it where you can change the settings for it. So if you have guest mode tweak, then you on rejection you can make it do that. There's lock screen image view. Don't start with music. Yeah, so there's loads of different settings you can use. It's not going to work 100% of the time because it only is a tweak. It's not built into iOS, but it works really well. So yeah, thanks for watching.